Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y on your laptop. To enjoy these classic adventures, you'll need to use a Nintendo 3DS emulator, which allows your computer to run the game. A capable laptop is absolutely essential for a smooth experience, ensuring the game runs without hitches. We'll guide you through the necessary steps to get everything set up, from choosing the right software to configuring your game for optimal play. Get ready to revisit the Kalos region. When it comes to emulating Nintendo 3DS games, Citra stands out as the premier choice. It's widely recognized for its stability and compatibility with a vast library of titles, including Pokémon X and Y. Always download Citra directly from its official website to ensure you receive the legitimate and most up-to-date version, protecting your system from potential issues. Before installation, double-check that your laptop meets Citra's minimum system requirements for the best performance. Once you have your emulator, the next crucial step is obtaining the game files for Pokémon X or Y. These digital copies are commonly referred to as ROMs or CIAs. For legal and ethical reasons, the recommended method is to dump your own game cartridge from a Nintendo 3DS console you own. This process ensures you have a legitimate copy of the game, ready to be loaded into your Citra emulator for an authentic gaming experience. With Citra installed and your Pokémon X or Y game file ready, it's time to set everything up. Open Citra, then simply load your game file to begin. Take a moment to explore the settings, where you can customize controls to your preference, adjust graphics for better visuals, and fine-tune audio. These adjustments will significantly enhance your gameplay. Now, you're all set to embark on your journey through the Kalos region, right from your laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.